निकलने वाला है। कैमरा पर्सन अवधेश के साथ मैं ब्रायन थॉमस, इंडिया न्यूज़ NewsX।
All right, more breaking news coming in at this point of time, where accused Sanjay Roy's family has spoken before the verdict. Sanjay Roy's family member stated that she never thought that he could have done something like this. She's added that they didn't have any connection for some time. Listen in.
नहीं, छोटा में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। छोटा में बाकी सब बच्चे जैसा होता है वैसा ही था, नॉर्मल जैसे होता है छोटा बच्चा। बड़ा होके भी कुछ ऐसा देखे ही नहीं कभी।
आपको क्या लगता है कि जो कुछ है वो अगर अभियुक्त भी है या आरोपी भी है तो वो अकेला है या उसे सिर्फ एक बलि का बकरा बनाया जा रहा है?
देखिए, ये तो मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या सच है क्या झूठ है। वो टीवी में जो न्यूज़ सुन रहे थे तो लग रहा था कि वो सुन रहे थे कि बहुत कोई संग में है। पता नहीं अब मुझे भी।
अब आखिर में वो अकेला खड़ा है।
हाँ, अभी तो वो अकेला ही।
इस पर क्या बोलेंगे आप?
इस पर क्या बोले, अगर वो गलती किया है तो जो सजा देगा आइन मंजूर है।
Sambhav on the telecast with me. Sambhav, of course, now the family member of the accused has issued a statement saying that she hadn't been in connection with him for a very long time. But apart from that, she's also said that she didn't expect him to do something like this. Now, the verdict is expected to be announced at 2:30 p.m. today. What are the details that are coming in? We've been told that the accused has been taken to the court.
This case has garnered, lot of attention after the matter happened on 9th of August, and the Supreme Court has taken suo moto cognizance of the matter on 18th of August, and now it's a big day, it's the final day when the lower court in Kolkata is going to deliver its judgment after a long trial where over 50 witnesses were examined in this case, and Sanjay Roy, who is the sole and the prime accused in this matter, was examined thoroughly by the Central Bureau of Investigation, a premier investigation agency of the country. And it is the time for the verdict now. Sometime from now, the Sialdah court in Kolkata, West Bengal, is to pronounce its verdict. All eyes are glued to the television, and people across the country are watching, and anytime the Sialdah court is going to deliver a very crucial verdict in this RG car case, wherein a 31-year-old trainee doctor was allegedly raped and murdered, and all allegations are on the Sanjay Roy, who is the prime accused. However, the parents of the victim are saying again and again that this one person is not the right thing. There could be more than one person in this case. However, the Central Bureau of Investigation in its charge sheet accused Sanjay Roy, and now the judgment is to be delivered by the Sialdah court. It is to be seen what the court says next.
Absolutely. Sambhav, stay on with us. Advocate Ashwini Dubey, Supreme Court lawyer, also joins us on the broadcast. So thank you so much for speaking to us on NewsX. Now, it's taken a total of 59 days for the completion of the trial after it began on November 11th, 2024. How do you foresee and what are your predictions as far as the verdict is concerned?
It's a case which shook the entire nation, and where the state did not take any action in a time-bound manner. It's a case where at the first instance, when the FIR should have been registered by the police was ignorant about it. The first case where the mob of more than thousands entered inside the hospital, then the police was mute spectator. So I would say, as a student of law, that the state failed, the state machinery failed to discharge its obligatory constitutional duty at that point of time. Now, the autopsy report, let's see the autopsy report, which says that she was murdered, she was raped, sexually assaulted, and was killed through strangulation. So, of course, the judgment which we are awaiting is the most awaiting judgment, and we need the justice should be done. The Supreme Court also intervened in the matter. The Supreme Court bench, led by then Chief Justice of India, Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, he also called for the reports and also constituted a committee that the medical doctors or the medical helps who are working tirelessly 24/7 in various hospitals of the country, they should be provided security, and so that they should discharge their duties fearlessly. It's a case where you see the state, which was obligatory to protect the citizens, protect the doctors, protect those who are working for the state failed. So an arrest, if you see, the person who was the main responsibility, the principal of that medical college, he was in fact rewarded instead of giving punishment at the first instance. Now the Sanjay Roy's autopsy report and also DNA has been matched. What result would come, we all are awaiting, but justice should be done. Justice should be done, and also it should be exemplary, so that the people who are taking law and order and committing this kind of crime, they should desist by this, and it should be that whatever the result would be, it should be in a time bound manner, not like the Nirbhaya case happened in 2013 and the judgment finally was delivered or the execution was done in 21-22. So it should not take much time. It should be done in a time bound manner, so that we should say that yes, justice has been delivered to her, and also what the result would be passed by the Sialdah court should be published throughout the country, so that whosoever is going to do this kind of act must desist from doing it. Over to you.
Right, absolutely.